Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable the center diff lock that engages automatically when you shift your 80 series Landcruiser into low range. Facing the front of the car, you'll need to get underneath and locate the transfer case. Once you find it, there is a plug with two wires attached to it. One of the wires is yellow and one is blue and black. You'll need to unplug this. Once you unplug this plug, you'll want to protect the connections. I've used liquid electrical tape and I've also cable tied it out of the way. So now when you engage low range, the center diff lock won't engage automatically. You'll need to press the center diff lock button.